Hey everyone, it's Yin here, and welcome to my first ever vlog. Today I'm taking you along with me for a typical day at University of Economics, Ho Chi Minh City. Grab your coffee and let's get started. Time for my quick and easy get ready with me. Skincare first. I always start with a good moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated. Next, I'm applying my favorite tone of sunscreen. This one gives me a nice and healthy glow to protect my skin from the sun. Now for some makeup. I'm using my go-to lip balm with SPF because protecting your lip from the sun is super important too. Finally, I'm adding a touch of shine with some lip gloss. And that's it. Simple, fresh, and ready for the day. Next up, I'm gonna get my little brother ready for kindergarten. He is so excited to see his friends today. Alright, let's go. Since I have some time before my first class, I'm gonna make a quick stop to my favorite drink. It's melon smoothie. I'm totally addicted to this. Alright, now I have a drive on my campus and it's bustling as always. I'm heading to my first class, which is design thinking. I'm actually really enjoying this class. This is my bestie, Trúc and I have this class together, which is awesome. We always make sure to sit together. And look who joined us today. It's my Pikachu pussies. Gotta have some fun, right? This class is actually pretty chill, not too much note taking. See, our group is working on building a tower with spaghetti and marshmallows. It's part of a teamwork exercise. It looks a little wobbly though. Whoa, check out that other group's tower. It's so tall. Okay, I'm just jotting down a few key terms here. Today, I'm decorating the title of my notes with the cute flower stickers. And ta-da, here the result. Pretty cute, huh? Trúc and I are being super studious right now. It's almost at the end of the class and our professor is showing us a video. And now it's time for 15 minutes of group work. It's long time Trúc and I are having buổi today, our favorite Vietnamese dish. Oh, look at Trúc trying to tie her hair with chopstick. I can't believe she actually did.
Wow, 10 giây thôi. 10 giây thôi. Chỉ 10 giây thôi. Chúc em thật là.
And we are cracking up over here. Alright, it's time to dig in.
Khi mình ăn là mình phải lau đũa nha.
Lau đuổi bằng cái bill. Trời ơi. Người con gái duy nhất đang bún bò tốn 3 chiếc đũa.
And oops, Trúc forgot to return the chopstick to the restaurant. Time to head back to the campus for our group project. Our group task is to find some senior students to interview for our design thinking assignment. And thanks to Truk's amazing social skills, we managed to find a third-year student to interview. Yes.
Mình chưa vô lùm cây, mình làm việc nhóm với mọi người.
Now we are heading to the library to study and relax for a little bit before going home. And that's a wrap on my first ever vlog at university. I hope you enjoy this little glimpse into my life.